Hey everyone, it's Mike from Orderflows here, and welcome back to my channel. I'm glad you could join me for today's video. I'm going to be giving you guys a special treat. I'm going to show you how to get access to one of my trading courses that I created earlier this year. And in today's video, I'm going to be talking about the Gocharting platform and what you're going to get when you watch this video. So before I jump in, if you've been enjoying my videos, be sure to subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell so you don't miss any new uploads, and hopefully I know you will find today's video helpful. So be sure to hit the like button and leave some comments in the comments section sharing your biggest takeaway. I love hearing your feedback. So let's go ahead and get started with today's topic. All right, so the Gocharting platform, right? It's a brilliant addition to the trading world, right? We all want to, we're all connected to the web, and the problem with a lot of trading platforms or charting platforms is that it has to be downloaded and installed on your PC. And if you're on the go or if you travel and you want to stay in touch with the markets, it's kind of a pain in the butt because you got to have different PCs, you got to have a laptop if you're traveling, and you just want to keep in touch with the market. It's a big added expense in that sense. And the Gocharting platform, it's web-based, so you can access your charts from anywhere without having to install anything, right? You just go to the URL Gocharting, you log into your account, and you're going to be able to pull up a footprint chart just like this, right? And if you subscribe to the Orderflows Trader footprint package, you're going to get all my order flow tools. And really, what makes the Gocharting platform so special, right, is because it's created by traders for traders, right? The guys at Gocharting, they understand order flow, and that's important because I see a lot of software out there that is available for traders, and they have a quote footprint chart. They call it all different names, but it's just something they put in there as a gimmick, but it's something to say, oh yeah, look, our software has a footprint chart. But to be honest, the guys at Gocharting, even without my Orderflows Trader software, right, even before they added my Orderflows Trader package, right, they already had a pretty decent and robust software in terms of order flow analysis. And to be honest, there's a few things that I even picked up from their software that I like to use in my own trading. But I can get into that right now, because what I want to talk about is a trading course that you could get for free that I created specifically for Gocharting customers. And we give it away because we hope that you'll want to use Gocharting as well. And if you just go to this URL here, www.orderflows.com/Gocharting, right, that's going to take you to the page where you can sign up for free. So just go to Gocharting, Orderflows.com, Orderflows.com/Gocharting, right? That's all you got to do, and it's going to redirect you to this page where you just enter your name and email address and hit sign up, and you're going to be taken right to the actual trading course. It's a 5-lesson course. It's not, something. I think a total of about 3 hours. There is a total of 5 modules in it that really get in depth on a footprint, right? Because a lot of people say, Mike, can you teach me sort of the basics of footprint? Well, that's why I created this course, and it's specific to the Gocharting platform. So if you're interested in understanding Gocharting, I really take you through how to use the Gocharting platform to read the order flow, what I like to look for in the order flow. Okay, so again, if you're interested in Gocharting right now, just go to Gocharting. You could sign up right now. My Orderflows Trader software suite is available for free for another couple of weeks before it goes to a paid subscription. But for now, for the next couple of weeks, you can still access it for free. Now, let me just what do I go through here? Yeah, so basically that's it. Enter your name, your email, and hit sign up. Now, granted, you'll be joining my email list, so you will get notifications, when we do have specials going out right now. But again, the Gocharting platform is a great tool if you want to follow the markets on a mobile device, on your iPad. If you're traveling, the subscription isn't very much for their data. You know, they've got different pricing plans. You could subscribe to the CME data here. If you want equities and ETFs, right, you can subscribe there. Because people always ask me, Mike, you know, can you do something on QQQ? You know, how the footprint, if there's going to be a footprint right now. Okay, yeah, here we go. Forex, right? Say you want, I don't know, Hong Kong dollar versus, what's our things here? Hong Kong versus, yeah. Let's choose one. Hong Kong euro versus Hong Kong dollar, right? See if there's any footprint going to come up for that. The second, sometimes it's when it first pulls in the data. There we go. Right, you got to expand it up a bit. Now again, when you're looking at Forex, you will probably want to, you probably do need to make an adjustment on Tick Manager, right? Sort of go to auto mode. Crypto, see my favorite. SHIB. People ask me, you know, hey, am I invested in crypto? Well, yeah, I've still, well, that's Bitstamp. For crypto, what I recommend if you're doing anything, if you're trying to analyze crypto, you'll have choices: Coinbase, BitMax, Bitstamp, Binance. I stick to the Coinbase one because obviously I'm in the U.S., so my account's with Coinbase. Right, again, when you're looking at crypto, you will probably need to make some adjustments to the Tick Manager auto block size. Over time, I'm going to be making more videos on, you know, specific markets, you know, what's as far as tick size. You know, if you're interested in Nifty, okay, I know a bunch of guys trade Nifty. Right, there you go, Nifty footprints. I'll be making, actually in the course, I think I did talk about Nifty a little bit, but in the future, look for me. I'll be offering making some videos on Nifty and Bank Nifty, and what you should be looking at in the order flow, okay? Because it does have its own little nuances that's going to be different from CME and you know, obviously some of the other markets, right? So, for example, right, Euro currency trades one way. Your currency data is pretty solid, right? And it's easy to see with the order flow. But when you're getting into markets like Bank Nifty and regular Nifty, I think there's little nuances that do need to be explained a bit. So you know, be on the lookout. If you're interested in Nifty and Bank Nifty, just be sure to subscribe to the channel so when those videos come out, you'll be notified. Okay. But again, you know, Gocharting, if you're interested in Gocharting, go to Gocharting.com and sign up. And then once you do, if you're interested in adding my indicators, right now they're for free. You're going to open up a chart. Which first thing you're going to do is add cluster, right, to give you a footprint chart. Because when you start, you may just start with a normal candlestick chart that looks like this with obviously no footprint. So what you got to do is you got to add cluster. Then to get the Orderflows trader, right, you just go down to Study, click on Order Flow, go to Orderflows trader, okay, and it's going to add in the Orderflow trader tools, okay, and you can, like I said, you could play around with it for the next couple of weeks until it goes to a paid version. And again, to get the trading course, the link is in the description below. Orderflows.com/Gocharting, and it's going to take you, whoops, what did I do there? Okay, it's going to take you to that page right here. It's going to redirect you to this page. Get the Gocharting Orderflow trading course for free. Just enter your best email and get the immediate access to the Gocharting Orderflows trading course. All right, so again, you know, like I said, I had something special for you in this video. So thanks for watching, being a part of my community. Your support is appreciated, and I'll see you in the next videos. But until then, keep working towards your trading goals. And remember, you know, you've got this. Trading is a journey. It's not a final destination. You don't get to the point where you know everything. You know, my it's funny, I got a 7-year-old kid and he thinks he knows everything. All right, kids nowadays, they think they know everything. I'm like, oh boy, you don't know what you don't know. So and it's the same way in trading, right? You don't know what you haven't learned. So you know, that's why I created this course, so people can understand you know, how to read the order flow better, right? Because at the end of the day, we always want to improve ourselves, right? Become a better trader, make more money, ideally, is the end goal in trading. So enjoy this free course, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.